Welcome, 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 everybody. Back to the old drawing board. Well, I'll be cooking today. I'm going to bake some bread. And I should have done this video a little earlier, but I didn't think about it. But anyway, let me just quickly give you the ingredients that I'm using. I was going to make some raisin bread, but next time. Anyway, I use some self-rising flour. Let me just turn the camera around so you can see the self-rising flour. 3 cups of that. As you see on my dishes in there, prove that I've been, mixing things up, right? And then I used, what else did I use? Oh, let me look in the refrigerator because I put everything back. Oh boy. I used some vanilla yogurt. I used 1 3/4 cups of that. And then before I mixed everything together, I sipped my flour using this strainer, the 3 cups, in that bowl. Sorry about the dirty dishes. But the next time I would do a little better. But I said, let me just do a quick video. And then I put in this loaf pan. As you see, this is parchment paper. You see? I use the parchment paper. So come with me over here because I have to start cleaning up as I'm talking. You guys know I don't like a messed up kitchen. So, anyway, so I'm going to start putting these things back. And over there, I'm frying some sausage because I'm going to have that on some hot dog buns. These are smoked sausage right here, as you see. And I'm preparing to make some shepherd's pie on Saturday. So, anyway, I'm going to put my self-rising flour. You know, when I open up my flour, I normally, when I buy flour, I put it in the refrigerator because I remember years ago I seen these little, my mother used to call them boll weevils. I don't know if that's the correct name, but I seen those in there and I was like, I think they like warm or heat or whatever. So I always put my cornmeal or my flour in the refrigerator. So yeah. So I'm going to just clean this up a little bit. And then I'm going to put this in the oven. You see I have it preheated at 375. But I'm going to bake it for about 45 minutes, and I'm going to check it. But I put it a little more than 45 minutes just in case I need a little more time and I don't have to start the oven all over again. You know, because when you do that, it has to preheat a little bit or what have you. So, I'm going to put this in the oven right here. Woohoo! Baby, baby, baby. As you see, that's going in the oven. Bam. So, and by the way, guys, let me just show you real quick my finishing project of my, let me just, give me 1 second. That was the finish. Oh, you can't even see that well, but anyway, you got the idea. You see? Remember when I did the grout the other day? So that's the finishing. Yoo-hoo! Go ahead, girl. So, let's turn this light out. And once it finished baking, then we will see the results. But in the meantime, ooh, those sausages look so good. Oh my gosh. Woohoo! Well, whoever gets some of this is going to be happy. I've invited a few people, you know, to my kitchen. Yes. Yeah. See that, guys? Oh my goodness gracious. All right, so I'll be back. So, this is the result of my bread. Now, I have to wait for it to cool off, but I can't wait. Let me see. It's nice and crispy. Let me cut a little piece. Hold on. Let's see. Uh-oh. Oh well. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. You see it? Do you see? Oh, hold on. Yeah, there it goes. So, ooh, it's hot. You should use um a bread knife. Ooh, but I don't have one. I should have let it cool off a bit. But guys, ooh, guys, you see? Look. You gotta see this as I'm cutting it. Let me move this out the way for y'all. Wait a minute. You see that smoke? Oh my word. Let's see here. Ah, this is hot. Should let it cool off some. Guys, look. Ooh. Let me turn this around. If you guys can see, one moment. Oh my word, look at that bread, y'all. So let me guys can see. Let me see. Well, you know, the next time I'm gonna make some raisin bread. But you see? See the smoke? Wow. Bon appetit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share on my YouTube channel, Roxanne is Rockin'. That's ROCKIN. Please hit the thumbs up for me. Thank you.